Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to build a high converting landing page. Now, whether you're a course creator, an affiliate marketer, or you're just trying to sell or build your email list online, this video is for you because I'm going to show you how to build a high converting landing page. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Elementor Precious, and today I'm going to be your guide. If you find value in this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also share it with your friends. Now, in order to get your hosting and domain registered, you just need to check out the link in my description. So once you check out the link in my YouTube description there, you'll see the link to go to HostGator. So if you click on that link, you're going to be getting a 65% off discount exclusive to only our channel subscriber to sign up for HostGator, because we're a partner and affiliate with HostGator. So we'll earn a little commission when you purchase your hosting through our affiliate link. Okay, so once you click on that link, you'll be brought to the HostGator's website. So on this website here, what you need to do is to click on the Get Started button. Now, once you click on that button, you'll be brought to this plans page here. On this page, you can see various hosting plans here. So depending on your need, if you need to host unlimited website, then you can go with the baby plan. But if you just need to host a single site, maybe a landing page, a blog, or your company website, you can go with this one. But though I highly recommend, as you can see here, you go with this offer, which is this, because you're getting unlimited websites here and you can host unlimited domains on this plan. Though in all these plans here, you're still getting free domain. But for the business plan, unless you, like, let's say for example, you have an existing website, you need to migrate to HostGator, and your website is already getting traffic, then you can go with the business plan here, which is this here. But in this case, you're going to go with the hatchling plan here. Now, once you do that, you'll be brought to this page here. So this is the checkout page where you can register your domain. So if I type something like this here, because this is my name here, I type something like this here, then I click on here.com. So HostGator is going to do a search now. As you can see here, this is unavailable because I've already registered this domain here. So if you have a business idea or a domain idea you want to use for one of your businesses, and you search for that name here and you see this unavailable message here, just know that somebody else has already registered that domain. So what you need to do is to pick another name. So here, what I'm going to do here is I'm kind of going to type maybe my other name here. Okay, so this is it here. So I'll just leave it as it is. So let's HostGator do a search. As you can see here, this name is available. So this is what you need to do if you get that unavailable message there. So as this name is available, I'm getting this domain for free. So when you use that link on my YouTube channel, the description there, you're going to get to this website. So when you use that, you're going to be getting a free domain name plus a 65% discount when you use that link there. So once you search for your domain name, for the domain privacy, it's going to cost you an extra $14.95 per year if you need it. So domain privacy is all about hiding your identity online. So if you want to hide your identity, maybe your name, your email address, so you don't want your email address to be stored on a public database. So if somebody looking for, okay, who owns this domain, so they won't see your details there. Instead of to show HostGator's detail there, then you can choose this one here, but it's not so important. So you can still uncheck this if you don't want that. So here we can see the package here is hatchling. The billing cycle is 36 months. If you go with 36 months, you're going to get the highest discount there. So if you go with the 36 months, you're going to get with the highest discount. But in this case, I'm just going to choose the 12 months here, which is 1 year. So here, as you can see here, you're getting 55% off that if you go with the 12 months. So depending on your budget, but I highly recommend you go with anything from 12 months and above if you want to get the best result from your website, and going to allow you time to, you know, cater for your website, get traffic, and build your business. So I highly recommend this here. So after that, you just need to create your account. So enter your email, confirm your email, enter your password. Then for the security pin, you just need to select a pin, a random pin, just a pin you can remember. So this pin is very important in itself. But if you're trying to contact HostGator support about your website, for them to provide support for your website, they'll ask you for this pin. This pin is to verify that, okay, you are the actual person contacting them, so it will not be like a fraudster trying to contact them for sensitive information about your website. So they'll ask for this pin. So you need to select a 4-digit pin that is kind of, you know, hard to guess. So you don't just go and choose 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just choose something that is hard to guess. So just like that. After you're done with that, then you add your billing info. You're paying with credit card or PayPal, you add that there. So here all you need to do is you don't need to select any other thing there, unless you read through this place. You need these services, you can choose them. So depending on your name, but in this case we're not going to select anything here. Okay, so here you can see the discount code you're using. When you use my link there, you're getting all this here plus a free domain name. So once you're done with all this, filling all your information above, just select this, you accept their terms and conditions, then click on checkout and pay. So after you've added your credit card, so it's going to be your credit card, then HostGator is going to send you some series of emails after you've signed up. That's after you've completed your purchase. So in the next screen, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into your HostGator's dashboard. That's if you sign up, like if you complete the checkout, automatically it's going to create an account for you and log you in. So what we're going to do in the next screen, I'm going to show you how to install the WordPress application so that we can start building out either our website, our blog, or our landing page, anything you're trying to build. So I'm going to walk you through on how to install WordPress there in the next page. Okay, so I just logged in now. So it's trying to log me into the partners. Okay, so once you're done with that, you'll be logged into this dashboard. So this is your HostGator's portal. They call it portal. So this is your HostGator's portal. Okay, in order to install the WordPress application, now you can see details about your hosting package you bought. So you can just go to this place here. You can either choose the Launch cPanel. So let's use this one here, Launch cPanel, because it's an application you're going to use. The application is called cPanel. So that is what we're going to use to install the WordPress application. So just follow along. Okay, so once you do all that, you'll be brought into the cPanel here. So this is the HostGator cPanel. This is where you can manage your website, which is the back end, the admin area, where you can manage all the technical aspect of your website here. So okay, so this is it here. Okay, so once we're done with that, we just need to scroll down where you have software. So if you see software here, you just need to, let me put this application I'm looking for. Okay, so just scroll down here, just here where you see this Softaculous app installer. So just select WordPress. So it's the WordPress script you're trying to install here. Okay, so once you do that, you'll be brought to this page here. So this is the installation page. Now on this page, this is what you need to do. Before I do this, let me quickly do something, because as you can see here, I already have WordPress installed on some domains here. So what I can do, let me just delete this one, because this is an active domain. I don't want to go and spoil something there for what is already active, and visitors are already visiting the website, so I don't want to destroy it. So let me just delete this. Let me see if I can remove these installations. Okay, I just removed this. So this is just how to remove an installation, just in case you started using your HostGator's and your HostGator's hosting account and you want to delete some of the installations. So this is just a process of doing that. So I just go back to return to WordPress management. Okay, so once you're there, you just need to click on the install button there to bring you back to this page here. On this page, you're already here. What I can just do, in your case, it will just be the domain you've registered. That free domain HostGator gave you during the checkout there. So it will be the domain that will show up here. But here, I already have WordPress installed on this domain, and this is a live domain, so I don't want to do it on this domain. What I want to do is I want to do it on a subdomain, like a subdirectory. So you don't need to bother about this step. Just leave it as your own domain here. This is it. Unless you've created a subdomain, maybe if you want to create multiple sites on one domain. Sorry, if you want to create multiple sites on one domain, then you can create a subdomain and install WordPress. But don't worry about any other thing. Just leave it as your own domain here. But in this case, I'll just select this, because I don't want to destroy that one there. Then once you do this, you leave it as HTTPS, because HostGator is going to give you free SSL when you sign up with them. So SSL is just this padlock here, if you don't know, for security purpose, to make your site secure. As you can see, your connection is secure. So you leave it as HTTPS here. So you scroll down here, you can put your site settings. So your site name might be, okay, let me put it this way. So this is what we're going to name it here. Then description can be anything. Okay. Okay, so this is it here. Then for the admin password, that's the username. So the username can be anything. Then for the password, let me just hide this password. So the password, I can just use this here. Now for the email, you can either leave it as it is here, but I don't think this email is created. So what I love to do is I love to add my Gmail here. Okay, so here you can see I love to add this. Why? Because anytime WordPress is trying to send something like admin message, maybe if my site is down, if WordPress wants to message me that okay, there's something wrong with my site, it will send the email automatically to this email, because that one that was there before, this is a new installation, this is a new hosting account, we've not created or set up those emails. So for reliability purpose, I always put the Gmail here so that I am sure that okay, it will actually go to this Gmail address here. That's why I like doing this. So if you have a Gmail, you can replace it here. Okay, so once we're done with that, we don't need any other thing here. You just need to click on install. So it's trying to install here. Now, as you can see, the software was installed successfully. So what we need to do in order to log into our WordPress dashboard so that we can start installing things and plugins or start building our website, blog, or landing page, wherever you're trying to build, is click on this administrative URL here. So just click on this one. So it will take you directly to the login, which is the admin, which is WordPress admin. So automatically it will log you in and take you there. Okay. So before we do anything here, or before we end this video, I want to just show you something so that you don't get confused. Just in case now you're logged into your WordPress admin and maybe you log out and tomorrow you want to log in again. This is how to do. So simply you can log out this way. So just click on log out here. So you see this URL here. Just here from here, this your domain /wp-login. You can see here. From this place, I just highlight like this. In the case it will be your domain here, so don't get confused here. It will be because this is my domain, that's why I show you here. But the main difference there is just putting the slash there and wp-admin. So this is the login page for WordPress. So remember that username and password you created during the installation of the WordPress. So you just need to use it. This is what you'll be using to log in. So you can just log in. So just add your username and password. So this is just how to log into your WordPress dashboard, just in case you want to log in later. As you can see here, now you can save it if you want to save. So I can just save it. So this is how to sign up for a hosting account, get in a domain, and install WordPress. Okay, so once you finish buying your domain and hosting, you've installed WordPress, and now you're inside your WordPress dashboard. The first thing in order to build a landing page is to install a theme. So this is how to install a theme in WordPress. Now you just need to navigate to the appearance section, click on the themes here. What you need to do is to click on this wp.org themes here. So just click on it. Now once you click on that, you'll be brought to this WordPress repository that is showing the list of themes available in the WordPress repository, which is free themes that are available on WordPress. Now what we need to do here is to search for the theme we want to install. So the theme we're trying to install here is the Astra theme. So just type Astra here. Now once you do that, this is the theme we're looking for. Then click on install. Now once you click on install, you click on activate. Okay, so once you're done activating, the next step which you need to take is to scroll down here and go to this section which says plugin. So click on it, install plugin. Now once you click on install plugin, now you can see the list of plugins that are installed in your WordPress dashboard currently. So what we can do here is we don't need all these plugins currently. So what we can do is to deactivate them. So just click on this, okay, except this one, because this one is not yet activated. That is why you're seeing it like this. But as for this here, they are already activated. So we can just uncheck this here. Then we can uncheck this because this one too is not activated yet. Then what we can do is to deactivate all the ones that were activated previously. Okay, so once you've deactivated them, what we can do is to click on this plugin here, then delete them. We don't need them because these were default plugin that were installed during the installation with our HostGator's, when we're trying to install, set up our hosting with HostGator. So these were the defaults there. So now we've deleted the default. What we need to do is just click on add new here. Now the plugin we're looking for is a plugin called Elementor. So just type Elementor here. Okay, so once you type the Elementor here, you just install. This is a website builder because we're not going to be writing code, so we need a website builder. So we just click on activate. Once you have the Elementor installed, the next step is to install the Elementor Pro plugin. Now, if you look down in the video here, if you look down in this current video in the description there, you're going to see the link to get your Elementor Pro plugin, because while you're getting this Elementor Pro plugin is to enable us build a very beautiful but yet high converting landing page, and it gives us the power to use the full potential of the Elementor plugin. Because this one you're seeing here, this is a free version, so we need the pro version, because the pro version is to enable you build beautiful website, beautiful blogs, and also it enables you build beautiful landing page, just like I mentioned, because it has advanced features which this free version doesn't have, and the pro version is going to provide us all those advanced features. So just check out the link in the description for this video. You're going to see the Get Elementor link, which is that link there. So just click on it. It will take you to the Elementor's website. So if you're confused, you don't know the link, you can just check down here. You can see the link here. You can see Elementor Pro. So just copy this link. You can copy it or click on it, whichever one you want. So just click on it. Now once you do that, you just need to open a new tab, then paste it here. So you can just click on go to site here. So if you click on it, you don't need to do this step, it will just take you there, but I'm using the YouTube link, that's why you're seeing this. Okay, so once we do that, as you can see here, this is Black Friday sale. They are running the Black Friday sale, so you can get more discounts when you click on that link there. Okay, so once you come to the Elementor website here, this is the plan which you need to get. We just need this light plan here, which is this here. So just click on it here. Now once you click on it, just like the HostGator, you just need to fill all your information here. So just fill all your information here, or if you're going to sign up with Google, you use Google, and at the end of the day, just complete your purchase, add your credit card, and complete your purchase. So once you complete your purchase, it will take you to the Elementor website, which is your dashboard. So in that dashboard there, you can download the plugin there to show you the zip file. So just download it there. So now once we come back to the dashboard, I already have it, so I'm going to upload it onto the website. So yeah, remember, just download it from your dashboard after completing your purchase there. So yeah, I'll just click on the upload plugin here, then I click on choose file. So this choose file, I'm going to go to this place here, then I'm going to type Elementor. Okay, so this is it here. You can see Elementor Pro. This is the one I have here. So I'm going to install it. So I'm going to install now. Now once you do that, just click on activate plugin. After you activate it, then click on get started here. Okay, so I run into an issue there. So what I need to do is to come to this place here. Okay, here, so you can see here starter template. So just click on this here. Okay, once you do that, you just need to scroll down, then click on build your site now. Now it will ask you which page builder are you using. Remember, we just installed the Elementor and the Elementor Pro. So the page builder we're using is called Elementor. So we select Elementor here. There you can see various templates here that are already available for free using the Astra theme we installed. So here we don't need much here. What we just need is we can select anyone. So let's see this landing page. Let's see this one. Let's just select this here. We're trying to build a landing page. Let's just select this. So you're just trying to load the template itself. So as you can see here, this one's labeled premium, a premium template. You need to pay for them. So, but in this case, you won't be paying for them except you like them. You can pay for them. But in this case, we'll just wait for this one to load. So let me just scroll down. Play launch. Let's see. I'm going to see something good I like here. Okay, so I think let's just go with this so we don't waste time. So because you're not going to be using the landing page, I just want to download. Let it be like we've installed something there. Okay, so just keep for now. Everything here, just keep. We don't need anything here, just keep. But we're just trying to build the landing page, not the website. Okay, so just click on submit here. So to install it for us. Okay, as you can see here, congratulations, our website, which is the template we just installed, has been installed successfully. So what we need to do is click on this view. So just see how it looks like. So now you can see this is how your current installation of WordPress looks like. So here you're halfway building a website. So this is just the same procedure of building a website, but we're not building a website here, just a landing page. So this is a landing page for a webinar registration, but that's not what we're doing here. We're trying to build an opt-in page where people will give us their email in order to download one of our free guides so that we can capture their email, then do remarketing through email marketing to them so that we can sell them things later down the line or offer them more value depending on what your business is trying to offer to your leads. So here, this is what we're going to do. You just scroll down here. So here you see this check here, this exit to dashboard. Just click on it. Now it will take you to your WordPress dashboard. Now once you're in your WordPress dashboard, just go to these settings here. Then scroll down to this page which says permalink. So click on it. Now once you click on it, you need to scroll down here where you see post name. So just check this post name, then click on save changes. Now once you're done with that, we can start building our landing page now. Now in order to build your landing page, your first landing page, you just need to come to this place which says pages, then click on all pages. Now you can see these default pages here. Here I can just delete this. So this is just how to delete the page because this is our draft pages here. So you can just move them to trash. Okay, so once you do that, you can come to the trash here. Then you can empty trash. Now once you do that, you can come back to all here. Then click on add new. So I'll just open it in a new tab. Okay, so once you do that, so let's say we want to build a landing page to promote one of ClickBank's products. So the product which you're going to select here in this case, because you know, if you're building a landing page, you want your landing page to be doing something. So it might be to give your leads an ebook, maybe one of your ebook you've written. So you want to build a landing page to collect emails in order to give them your ebook, or maybe to capture their email in order to, for affiliate marketing purpose, like you capture their email so that you can send them emails through your autoresponder. So you give them an ebook too, then you start sending them emails through an autoresponder. So we need to select an offer. So let's just go to ClickBank. So if you don't know what ClickBank is just simply an affiliate network where you can get products to promote and earn commission when people buy those products through your affiliate link. So before we create the page here, let's just go to ClickBank and pick a product. Okay, so this is ClickBank here. Now, this step doesn't like mean you must use ClickBank. So it depends. I'm just showing how to build a high converting landing page. So if you have an ebook, if your case is to build a landing page for an ebook, then you just follow the same procedure. You care less about the ClickBank here. You just plug in your own product here, which is your ebook there. So you don't need to bother about ClickBank. But in this case, I'm just trying to build a landing page to promote an affiliate offer through an opt-in page so that we can get their email, then give them or redirect them to the offer. So that's what I'm just trying to show you here. So here, I'll just click on login here. Okay, so when you click on login here, I'll just try to log in. So let me just put my details here. Okay, so once you're here inside your ClickBank dashboard after logging in, that's if you have a ClickBank account. So if you don't have a ClickBank account and you want to make money online promoting affiliate product, you can just quickly sign up for ClickBank. It's free. So once you sign up for ClickBank, you create a username, which is a nickname in ClickBank case. So just click on this link here. So it will take you to the marketplace or the main ClickBank account. So once you click on that here, then you come here, you come to this section which says marketplace so that you can find the product. So you come to the marketplace here. Now, once you come to the marketplace, you click on top offers here. Now, after that, after that, what you need to do here is to pick a product you want to promote. So the landing page you're trying to build is a make money online product. So you just come to this place which says e-business and marketing. Now, once we come here, we can just scroll down. Let's see a product we can pick here. I'm looking for a good product to promote. Okay, so here I'll come down here to the next page. Okay, so let's go with this one which says perpetual income. So let's just copy it. So this is going to be the name of the landing page you're trying to build here. Remember the name of the product, but you're just trying to build an opt-in page. So I'll just use this here. Okay, so once we do this here, all we need to do is to go back to our landing page on WordPress there. Now, once we come back here, we just paste the name here. And once you paste the name, just click on publish. So click on publish here. Okay, so once you do publish, you just need to click on edit with Elementor because we want to start building the landing page. Remember, the goal of this landing page is to collect emails from our leads. That's people, visitors visiting the website or the landing page, visitors visiting the landing page. We want to collect their emails so that we can remarket to them or grow our email list, because having an email list can be a game changer in your business, because it's very important these days to start building an email list so that you can start selling multiple products or offering more value to these leads as you go down in the future. Okay, so once you're here, what we can do here is just click on this settings icon here. Then for the page layout, just select Elementor Canvas. So that is what we need here. So just select Elementor Canvas in this case. So once you select Elementor Canvas, now we can start building our landing page. But before we start building our landing page, in this case, I'm just using a ClickBank product. Like I said, if you're building for your own products, you know what you want to build already. So I just want to get more information about the products you're trying to promote so that we know the kind of landing page you're building here or how to structure a landing. Because before you start building landing page, you need to plan out how your landing page will look like or be like, and the content, which is the copywriting on your landing page, so that you can be able to convert or build a landing page that is going to be able to convert visitors very quickly and like have a higher conversion rate, which is the landing page. So let's just go back to the offer so that we can learn more about the offer. Okay, so this is the offer we're trying to promote here. So I'll just, first of all, I'll just get my affiliate link here. In this case, I'll just select this. I don't need any other thing here. So I'll just click on the default and create my copy link here. So this is how to promote a ClickBank offer. So I'll copy this link here. So this is the link visitors must click in order to purchase this product before we can earn commissions. Okay, so this is it here. Now, all I need to do is, let's say I'm going to paste this link in a new tab. Okay, so as you can see here, this is an example of an opt-in page, a landing page. You can see these guys, they are trying to collect emails here. So they're trying to collect emails here. So all we are doing here is you're going to create a landing page. I'm just trying to show you how the structure of the landing page is going to look like. You're going to create a landing page that's different from this one. So the landing page is to offer them a kind of value. So the value you're trying to offer them might be a teach sheet, it might be a free guide, it might be a PDF, it might be something, something of value that you can offer to your audience. Because in order for you to give, it's just like bribe, you're bribing them in order to get their email.
So that is it there. So we're going to build a landing page. So this is the offer we're trying to promote. So we're going to build a landing page for it. Okay, don't worry about this. So just this is the offer here. So here what we can do is we can start building. So in order to start building, let me just close this here. You can just click on this icon here. Then you can see select your structure. So just select this here. So this is just like a section. So inside the section you can add multiple elements inside. So it's just like a container or a bucket where you can put multiple clothes inside, or you can put water inside. So this is just a container here. Okay, so once you do that, then we're going to style it first of all. So just click on this here. You can see the edit panel. So this edit panel is any configuration you're going to do there is going to affect this container you're seeing here. So but first of all, what we want to do there is to increase the height. So let's just put it as main height. So you can see that's increased the height there. Then we'll come here, we'll click on the style tab here. For the style tab, we want to add a background color. For the background color, you're going to select white here. So it's white we want to use here. Then for the padding, come to advanced here. We want to add some spacing above and below. For the padding, we'll add 50 up. Then we'll add 50 below. So this is it here. Now for the length, let's see something. Just click on it again, so to bring up this panel again. So you come out to layout here. For this layout, for the width, so the width is from this area here to this area here. So you want to reduce the width here. So for the width, let's put it as, what should we put it as? Let's put it as 950. So you can see this thing here. It has reduced it, like kind of shrink it inside. So now once we've done this, we can click on this icon here. So once we click on this icon here, we can drag in our text. We call it widgets. As you can see here, search for with that search widgets. So all these elements you're seeing inside, they are called widgets in Elementor. So we'll just drag in our text widget, which is this heading widget here. So just drag it into the space. So here we can add the headline of our landing page. You know, on a landing page, you need to have a headline. So this your headline needs to come strong, like it needs to come strong and needs to be catchy. So that as soon as a visitor comes to your landing page, immediately they will be sold on what you're trying to give to them. Maybe it might be an ebook, or like I said, cheat sheet or whatever, or maybe a free webinar registration. So they need to be sold immediately they come to your ebook. So you need to think about your headline very well, because it's very key for you to build a high converting landing page. So I don't want this video to be very long, so let me just go quickly and get a headline for this video. Okay, so this is what I need to do. I need to paste this here. So this is the headline which you're trying to do here. Discover how to build a highly profitable online business by sending simple 5th grade emails. So you can see how beautiful and catchy this headline is. Now the next thing we need to do is to probably add some paragraph text. Like you can see your text editor widget, so you just drag it into this box. When you see that blue light, you release it. So let me go and find something to also add here. So this is okay here. Then what we'll do is just come to this place here, the style here, then center it in the middle. Then for the typography, we can change the font there. You can see font family. You can change the font family if you want to, so you can type anything you want, any type of font family you need there. Now the next thing I need to do, I just want to increase the size of that text. Let's say I increase it to 18. Then maybe I just bold in it, like add some weight there. So let's say the weight will be 500. Okay, so this is okay. Okay, so once you add this, remember this is, you just need to add your own copy here. Maybe probably I can do something like this here. Okay, I can add some code there. Let's say build a highly profitable online business. So let's say I want to make this kind of stylish. So I'll add an underline here. Then I'll come to this place here and close it here. So this is just how to add code there, how to to make it strong, come strong there. Okay, so once I do this here, then what I can do is to add my form. So I've added all this here. This is my text I want to add it, because I want to keep it simple and at the same time add something that is going to convert very. So here I'll just type form here. So why you're seeing this form widget is because you purchased the Elementor Pro plugin, because if you don't do that, you're not going to get this widget in the free version. That's why I highly recommend you get this, aside from the other bonuses or benefit that you get along with this Elementor Pro plugin. Okay, so once we do this here, we add the form here, the form widget. But this form widget is kind of very wide, but I don't like it like that. So what I can just do, I can just come here, click on this widget here. Then you can see this inner section here. So what I can do, I can drag it into this space here. Then once I drag it there, I can delete this here, so that I can be able to control the width of this form here. So I can add this here. Then I can click on this here. As you can see here, this is the width here. I want you to understand something here. In building, either if you're doing web development, I know you're not doing web development here, but you need to understand some basic concepts here. Okay, so this is it here. In building a landing page, there's something called a section. So this section is like the overall container where it will have every other element inside. Then we have something we call inner section. So inner section is like a small bucket. You have a big container, which is your big bucket. Then you carry a small bucket and put it inside that big container, which is the big bucket there. So that is what the inner section is. That's why you can see this inner section was able to enter into this main section here, as you can see here. Because if we want, we can't add a standalone container inside this existing container. We can't do that. That's why we're using the function of this inner section here. But now, once we have this now, we can control just the inner section, which is this now. So let's say we control it, we can drag this here. So let's just drag this. Okay, so this form like this, the size of the width of this form is okay. So we can start editing the form now. So this form here, we can just click on, you can see this pencil here, just click on it. Then we can delete this message here, because I've not seen a landing page that has a message for the form there. Okay, so once we do that, then we'll just remove this label, those labels, then we can remove that. Then we can say full name. Then for the placeholder, you can just type full name here so that you can see inside the text here, you see it has changed. So here, next thing we can do is for the email, we can come to this place and say enter your email. Now you can see full name, enter your email. So you're just requesting for their name and their email, if that is what you want to collect. But if you don't want to collect their name and their email, maybe you just want to collect only their email, you can just delete this one. Then you can leave it as only their email. But I just want to collect both their name and email. So I've added a new item there. So I'll just drag this one top here. Then I'll come here, I'll type name. Here, the same thing, I'll type full name here for the placeholder. Okay, now I'll set that required, because I want them to be able to submit this form. They must enter their full name here. That's why I set that's required here. By default, the email is always set as required here. So we don't need to bother about those here. Now for the form name, we can just type maybe my be affiliate. So you can type the name of the product you're trying to promote here as the name of this form, so that you understand that, okay, this landing page is for this here. So this here, affiliate, maybe landing page, this is the name of the form here. Okay, so now once we're done with that, we can start styling this button here. So you know your brand color, which color you're trying to use for your landing page. So I'll just select this here, this pencil here. Then I'll come to the style tab here. Then for the style tab, I can scroll down to the button. Let's say for the button, you can see this color here. Maybe I don't like this color. Maybe I want to use a green color. Let me see if I have a green color in my color palette here. This is an extension I have here. So I'll come to history here. Okay, I have something like that. So let me just copy this green color here. Okay, so here for the background color, I can just set it as that color I copied now. So I'll just add this hash here. You can see the color code there. So if I add that, then the text will be this. If I want to change the size of this text, I just need to click on this typography here. Then I can type maybe, what do I need to use? Let's say 20. Okay, so 20 is okay. Or maybe we can make it 25. Okay, so this is okay here. Then if I want to change, when somebody hovers around this button, what color you want to change to, you can also do that. So let me just find the color here. So you have your color, your colors you want to use. So here, let me find something. Let me just make it this, so I don't stress myself too much. Okay, so once I do this, I can just select this, just click on this place here. Then I'll just paste this color here. Then I'll add this hash here. So you can see when I hover, you can see the color there. Okay, for the text color, I'll leave it as white here. Except you want to change the text color. If it hovers, then you can set your color here too. Okay, so for the text, I'll come back to content here. Then I'll come to this side which says button, because I want to change this text here. So you can see, if you're trying to give them an ebook, you can say download your free PDF now. So you can do this here. Okay. You can do this like this here. Okay, so once you do that, you just need to come here. You can see this text goes to the next line. So, but let me just reduce the font size there, so it will make everything stay on one line. So depending on the text you're writing there, so this is just mine. So here maybe I might reduce it to 20 or 22. Okay. So once you reduce the text there, you just need to scroll down here. I think we're done with this. We're done with this here. We're done with this. So what we can do is let's just click on this text here. Then let's just click on this advanced here. Then where you see margin. So here I'll just do minus 30. Okay, so this is okay. Then I can just click here. Then I can come here. You see this spacer here, just drag it into this space here, or just drag it out of this. Now you can drag it out of this space here. So it will be in the main container there, because we want to add some spacing below. Or what we can just do, we can delete this. You can just delete this. Then we can come here. Then we can click on this here. Sorry, the layout here. Then instead of mean height, we'll just make it full screen. Let's see. Okay, full screen is okay. Full screen is okay. So when we do this here, then we can then drag this text editor again. Let's just put it below this place here. Okay, so here when we paste this text, I just need to come here. Then I'll paste this emoji here. Then I'll just type something here like so you just write some kind of disclaimer here to give them more confidence when adding their email here, that you won't spam them with so much email or sell their email, that kind of stuff. So once we do all this, and I think we're done, we can reduce this text because it's not so important. So we just put this like this here. So I think this is okay here. Let's see our landing page. Let's see what we built so far. I think this is okay. This is okay. So what we can quickly do is let's just select this here. Then come back to layout. Let's make it as mean height here. So when we make it as mean height, let's see what we can do here. Okay, so when we make it as mean height, what we can do is just select this here, open a new section. So for this new section now, what you can do is just select the mean height here. And then for the background color here, I'll set it as, let's see, depending on what your brand color is. Let me just select the color here. I'll make it consistent. Okay, so let me just select. So let me remove this here. Then let me select something here. So let's see, I select this here. Let's just leave it as this for now. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is, remember, I'll come to layout here. Then I think this is 950 here. So I'll reduce the width of this section here to 950. So it will be the same with this here. Now what I'm going to do is, you see this text here, I'm going to just copy. Then I'm going to paste it here. So once I paste it here, I'm going to click on the star here. Then I'll make the text there to be white, because it is dark. We can't see anything there. So yeah, because what I'm trying to do is I'm going to add a footer there, like a disclaimer. If you're building, if you're running ads to the landing page, you need to add a disclaimer there, so your visitors will know if you're an affiliate or what you're trying to do with their email, those kind of disclaimer there. So if you want to add that, so we're going to do this. And also, to add your link to your terms and condition and your privacy policy, so that you don't get your ad account banned or your affiliate account suspended if you're an affiliate promoting a product. So, to be transparent to your visitors trying to give you their email. So you need to be as transparent as possible. So yeah, I'll just go and find the disclaimer. Okay, so here I'll add the disclaimer here. I'll just copy this and I'll paste it here. Okay, so this is the text I want to add here. So I can just click on this section here, because I want to add some spacing below and above and below. So I'll come here, I'll type this here. Then I'll type this here. I think this is okay here. You can see all this here. This is not a multi-level. This is it here. So we'll add this. Now, in order to add a link to our privacy policy page, we can come back to the text here. Then we can just come up here. Then we put this here. Or let's just put copyright. We can just go to Google and type the symbol. So let's just see copyright symbol. Let's just do this. So you can just copy the symbol there. Then we'll come back to our landing page. Then we'll paste this here. Then maybe you can just type then you can type terms and conditions. Then you can also do privacy policy. Okay, I can do something like this. Let me add a line like this here as a pipeline. Then I can do another one here. Let's see this. Then I'll add another pipeline here. Then I'll put a space here. Okay, so now let's say you have your link to your terms and condition page. You can just highlight the terms and condition, just the terms and condition text there. Then you do this chain here. Then you type the link here. .com/terms. Let's just put it like this here. Then I'll just highlight this. I'll go back here. Then I'll put HTTPS. So this is, let's say this is the link here to the terms here. I'll just check this. Now the next thing I'll come here, I'll do this. Click on this one too. Then I'll paste this. So here I'll just put it as let's say policy. So I'll do this. So we've added both links there. Now you can see it looks like a link. So if they click on it, to take them to that place, the page, the specific page for that. So once we're done with that, we'll click on this responsive mode here, because you don't just want to build a landing page for just desktop alone. You want to build it for both tablet and mobile, because you don't know where your visitors are coming from. Okay, so once we do this, we just scroll down and see. So like this, it is good on tablet. I think this is good on tablet. Then let's see for mobile. Okay, so I think on mobile too, it is also good. It is also good on mobile. So we don't need to bother too much about it here. So what we can do is to click on update. So just click on update. This is how to update your page. Now, once you update that, you can preview it by clicking on these preview changes. Okay, so now we are done building our landing page. So this is just how to build a high converting landing page with your WordPress website. So here we can also add something. Let me see if there's something I can add to make, to add more urgency to this page. Okay, so once we come back here, you can leave your landing page like this, but I just want to add this here. Let me just add this section here. So here, this section, I'll just style it. Let me just put the background color there. So I think the background color should be, let me use this color. So this color is okay. Let me just add some padding, top and bottom. So I'll just add 10 here, then I'll add another 10 here. Then I think I'm done with that. Okay, so let me just add let me go back to the section here. Now the next thing I need to add, let me just make it so the width will be the same with every other place here. So the 950 is okay. So I'll just come here, I'll just drag this heading text here. But in this case, I'll make it heading 2. Let me see what this heading is. So here, just change this one to heading 1, because this is the main heading here. I think this is crazy now. So I'll just come here to typography, then I'll reduce to, let's say, 50. Like 50 is okay. So 50 is okay here. Then we can just put some line height. So let's say line height 30. Let's see 35. Let's see 45. Let's see 55. Okay, let's make it 60. Okay, this is okay. 60 is okay. Here, let me just go to this place here. So this one is heading 2, so I'll just paste this text here. Let me leave it like this. Then I'll come here, I'll change the text here to white. Let me go here. Here I'll center it to the middle. Then I'll come here, I'll reduce the font size. So let me just reduce the font size. So let's say 20. Okay, this is okay. 20, or let me say 25. No, 20 is okay. So this is okay. Let me just see. Okay. So you just find your text here, just write something catchy there to make them, like, to reinforce the main headline. So you can do that. I'm just putting this as a demo. So I think this is okay. This is okay here. But here we need to edit this. The text is so big here. So what we can do is we can make it 35. They will come to this line height here. They will make it 25. Let's see. 25. Let's see. 40. Let's see. 40 is okay. So here we'll come to the tablet mode. I think the tablet mode is okay. So we don't need to bother anything again. So we just click on update now to update the page. Now we can come back here. Okay, so this is it here. Oh, let me just do something here. This thing is just your own preference. So this is just my own choice. So yeah, I'll just come to this place. Let me click on this color here, the background color. I want to make it red. So let me just, oh no. Yeah, I'll just make it red here. I think white is okay. So I'll just update this here. Now, once I update this, it will update this place here. So here we can view everything here. Now I can just copy this link. You can see my link here. Just exclude this question mark preview. Just copy this link here. Then I'll open an incognito here. Then I'll paste it here. Now once I paste it here, you can see this place here. Now we can see how beautiful the landing page is. So this your landing page is ready to go. We just need to integrate our landing page to our email marketing software. So it depends on the email marketing software you're using. You just follow their guide there to integrate it with your landing page. But the email marketing software I use and I always recommend to both my viewers and my students that is also affordable and allows you to send emails reliably to the inbox of your leads is Getresponse. So if you check the link in my YouTube description, then you'll be getting a 30 days free trial of Getresponse. So 30 days is enough for you to do or get started with email marketing. So just check the link there. You're going to get a free 30 days trial of Getresponse. No credit card is required. Just sign up for Getresponse using that link there. So if you're confused and you're looking for the link here, this is the link here. You can see I love Getresponse. So just copy this link here. Now, once you copy the link, you just need to come here. Just paste the link here. Then click on go to site, or you can just click it from your browser there. Depends. Okay, so this is my affiliate link too. Just like I said, here you'll be getting the 40% off deal if you sign up for a paid plan today. But don't worry about it, you're getting the 30 days free trial. Okay, so here you can click on grab the deal, or you can just scroll down. You can scroll down, just go to their pricing page here. Just click on pricing here. Okay, so once you click on the pricing page, you just come here. From this page, all you need to do here is to just click on create free account. So click on this link here. Now, all you need to do is to just fill in your details here. You know how to create an account. So just put your full name here, your email, and your password. And once you're done, you click on the create account button. So once you do that, Getresponse is going to send you a confirmation email. So just check out your email inbox. And when you get that email, just click on the link there to verify your account. And you'll be logged into Getresponse. So on the next screen, I'm going to show you inside my Getresponse account now. Okay, so once you're logged into your account, one thing I want you to know is, because I might forget to mention it in the future. So what you need to understand is when you start working with Getresponse, especially for new accounts, when you just create a new account for the first time, if you start creating autoresponders, they might temporarily suspend your account. Why they're doing this is their compliance team is trying to like verify your account because they don't want spammers to use Getresponse or to misuse their free 30-day trial. You understand? So that's why they might suspend your account. So if they suspend your account, just simply use this chat button here. So just open this live chat here. So chat with their representative here. You can see start chat. So chat with them. Tell them, then they will tell you that you need to wait for some few hours for them to check your account. If it is in good standing, they're going to activate it for you. If not, they might permanently, let's say, disable your account. So you don't need to misuse this, their generous offer of 30 days free trial. So you need to just use it once and get your business started. So I just need to mention this so that when you see this suspension, something, you don't need to get scared or forget about it and just leave it like that. You just need to understand it. Okay, so now what we want to do now is we want to integrate Getresponse with our Elementor form. You know that form on our landing page. So we want to integrate Getresponse there so that when somebody comes to our landing page, enter their name and email. When they click on this download ebook button there, it is going to transfer their email and name to Getresponse, which is our database that is hosting our email. So it is going to transfer it here while it takes them to any, like after like the form has been submitted successfully, then it takes them to any page or any destination you want to send them to do. I'm going to show you how to do that as we go on in this video. But for now, let's integrate Getresponse with Elementor. So this is what you need to do. Just click on the tools there, then come to integrations and API. Now, once you come here, you click on API here. Yours, you won't see any API here, so just click on generate new API key. So here you can just type any name here, and once you do that, just click on generate. So to generate an API key, all you need to do is to click on the copy here. Now, once you click on the copy, you need to go back to your WordPress dashboard. So log in back into your WordPress dashboard, then go to Elementors here. You can see Elementors here, then click on settings. Now, once you click on settings, you click on the integration tab here, then you scroll down. See, you find Getresponse. So when you see Getresponse here, you just put your API key and click on validate key. So once you see this green check here, you scroll down, then you click on save changes. Now, this is just how to integrate Getresponse with Elementor. Now, before we move on, let me just quickly show you how to create a list on Getresponse, because you know, when your leads come to your landing page, you enter their name and their email into your form there and they click on submit. You don't just want to send this name and email to just Getresponse, because you want to, you know, when you have, if you have an office, you know, you do put your files into different folders and, you know, you categorize them so to enable you know which folder is for which, and you know, to organize things very well. So you want your leads, when they come to your landing page, they enter their name and email. You want to send that name and email to a specific list on Getresponse. So that is where you want to send it to, so that if you're, you know, if you're trying to create a new campaign later in the future, make maybe a marketing campaign, you're trying to give value to your audience, you know which list to go to in order to create this campaign, so that you know the kind of audience you're sending which kind of email to. So you don't go and send an email to an audience that is not even related to that list. That is why you're creating an email list, so that I will be able to organize things very well. Okay, so what we need to do is to go back to our Getresponse account now. Now, while you're in your Getresponse account, in order to create a new list, you just need to come to contacts here. Okay, so once you come to contacts here, what you need to do is, I'll just copy this because I want to delete this. So I'll show you how to create a new list. So I'll just delete. So this is just how to delete a new list. So it says, because I already have an autoresponder here. Okay, so let me just delete this for now. Okay, so once I'm done with that, all I can just do is to create a new list. Just click on this here. Then I'll just paste that name here. Then I'll click on create. So this is just how to create. Okay, so I already have this here. So what I can just do is, let me just do something here. So I don't want you to, because during the course of this video, I skipped this part. So I'm just kind of redoing this part so I can add it to the video. So I just need you to just pay attention to the later part of this video. Forget about this one I'm putting here. The name of the list, as you're going to see in the remainder of the video, is going to be this here. So just forget about this one here. So, but this is just how to create a new list. So I'll just show you. This is it here. So this is it. So now you just need to follow the rest of the videos there to learn how to proceed with setting up both your landing page and Getresponse. So in order to link your form now to the list you created on Getresponse, you just click on this here, this pencil icon here. Then where you see this action under submit, you click on it here. By default, you might not see this Getresponse here. So in order to get the Getresponse, you just need to click on this plus here. Then you scroll down, then you see Getresponse here. So just select it. That is all you need to do. So just select Getresponse. So once you do that, then when you come to Getresponse here, it will load this here. Okay, so once it loads, what you need to do here is just click on this here. Then you can select the list here. Like I said, just forget about the one here. The normal name is just YT landing page video. So forget about the one here. Then you can follow the rest of the video there. So all you need to do is just select it like this. Then days of circle, you leave it as this, and then you can proceed with the rest of the video. So that is just all you need to know for to integrate Elementor with Getresponse here. Now, once you come back to your, after creating the list on Getresponse, you come back here. What you need to do is you come to this place, you click on the form here. You do a refresh the page first. Once you refresh the page, you click on the pencil icon here to open this space here. Then for action under submit, you've selected Getresponse. Okay. Now for list, now you allow it to load. So once you allow it to load, now you can see the new list we created. So you just select the list there. Then day of cycle. So day of cycle is for autoresponder. Autoresponder is like automation. So if you want to set a series of emails that you want to be sending to your leads after this collected, now after they sign up through your form to collect your ebook, you want to start to market your other items or products or whatever you want to do to them, or you want to give them more value. If it's a course you're trying to sell to them or trying to offer to them, you need to create an autoresponder on Getresponse. I'll show you how to do that. But here, when you're setting it up, just put it as day zero. Day zero simply means immediately they sign up through your form, you should send them the email, that's the email containing that your ebook or the link to download your ebook you're trying to give to them, or your cheat sheet, whatever you're trying to give to them. You just put it as a zero. Then for mapping, field mapping, you select this here, you select the email, which is this email field. Then for the name, you select this full name, then click on update. This is all you need to do on your landing page to connect it to Getresponse, though we're going to test it out to see if it is actually working. Now, what we're going to do next is to go back to Getresponse to create our autoresponder, which is, I'll just show you how to create one of the autoresponder, but the process is still the same if you want to repeat it. So you can repeat it for all the autoresponder you want to create in that series of emails you want to be sending to them. Now, once you come back to Getresponse, what you can do is to click on Tools here. Then once you click on Tools, you click on Autoresponders. Now, once you click on Autoresponders, you just allow it to load first. As you can see here, I have mine already set up because I have like more than 60 days of emails that's going to keep sending to my list. As soon as they join my funnel, to start sending them for the next 60 days. Because what I like, or why I love autoresponder is it's a set and forget something. So if you can just, if you just take your time to just set up a series of emails that is going to go out for the next 30 days, you keep making money without even doing any extra work. All you just need to do is focus on getting traffic to your landing page. And once they sign up, your email marketing software is going to take up the rest for you. You don't need to do any extra work there. That's why I love an autoresponder. And you can see I've already set it up. And as you can see here, there are some leads that in day 10, which is the cycle date is day 10. You can see some are in 1, some are in 2. You can see. Okay, so this, you can see how many has been delivered, open rate, and rest of them, though this is not a big list. Okay, so this is just how to create an autoresponder. You just click on create autoresponder. Okay, so here you can just type in the name of the autoresponder here. So it might be the name of the product you're trying to promote, might be the name of the ebook. You just type in the name here, then put it as day 0. I like putting mine as day 0, so I'll know that, okay, in this series of autoresponder for this for the series of what I'm trying to, maybe the product itself, this is the day 0 email of that series. You understand? So here, link list. Now you need to select the list you want to link this autoresponder to. You remember we created a new list, so this is the new list we created. So you can link it to this list, whatever list you want to link it to. You can link it to this list, so that any list that enter into this list, it will get tied to the autoresponder. So they'll start receiving the emails in that series of autoresponder. Now for the settings, autoresponder setting, you can just leave it at 0, same time as setup. Leave everything as it is here. Then this is mine here. You see yours here, it's the same thing, just leave it as it is there. Okay, so once you get to this subject line, this is how to add the subject line. You just paste your subject line here, or you write it down here. And once you're done with that, you just proceed with designing your message. And in order to do that, you just click on this here. Then when you click on this, you just scroll down. You just ignore all these templates here that Getresponse is giving to you. Then click on blank templates here. So the one you're going to use here is this one. This is the one I prefer using, because all those other templates, I'm not an e-commerce store, so I don't need to bother myself about that. Except you're an e-commerce store, then you can use those templates or build yours. So here I can just select this use template here. You can see it's a blank template. So this is the Getresponse canvas now that you can use to start designing your emails. Okay, so once you get your content, in order to start building your email, you just need to drag this text widget here into this place. There you can write your text, or you paste it wherever, however method you want to do it. Now always give them a link, for your ebook. If you're trying to give them an ebook, always give them a link there. So let's say, for instance, you've typed in your text here. In this case, I copied it here. Let's say you've typed in your text here, you want to add a link to go and download your ebook. You just need to highlight it like this. Once you highlight it, you can see it's changed here. You click on it, then you can add the link to your, if that's where you hosted the ebook. If it's on Google Drive, you can copy the Google Drive link and paste it here. So you can, maybe this is it here. So I'll just put this here. So yeah, as you can see here, I've added the link here. Once you've formatted your email to look very professional and okay, you've added your ending message there, then you can just click on next here. Now once you click on next here, I think you're almost done there. So just allow it to scan. You can see everything is good to go. Now you can just save and publish. This is just how to publish an autoresponder. So now what you can just do is, you see that place you selected. So here, this is it here. Now, let's say, for instance, we've created one of the autoresponder, which was that affiliate day 0 we created. Let me just use an example. This is the day 0 of that one we created now. So what we can just do is just click on the edit here. Sorry, I just want to show you something. That's if you're creating the next autoresponder, because let me help you understand now. Now you've created your first autoresponder, which was your day 0. All you need to do, if you have your next autoresponder you want to create, you just create the day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and so on and so forth. So let's say, for instance, you're creating your day 1. After creating your day 0, you're creating a day 1. Now, this is the place that makes the difference here, which is because this one is just the name. This is just the name. So in your day one, that's after creating your day 0, day 1 should be, you can see that's autoresponder. When should you send out or your message go out? Now what you need to do is just change it to 1. That's for your next autoresponder. So it will be 1 on the next one. Then if you're creating the third autoresponder, it should be on day 2, because day 0 is like day 1, day 1 is like day 2, day 3 is just like day 3 is just like, sorry, day 2 is just like day 3. You understand? Day 2 is just like day 3, just like, because it started from 0 to start counting. So you just need to understand that. So your next autoresponder will be 1. After the 1, the next one will be 2. Next one will be 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. So that's what I just want you to understand it. So yeah, I'll just leave that as day 0 because this is something I've already created before. Now what I'm just doing, I'm not going to update it. I'm just going to cancel it because I didn't do anything. No, leave this page. Okay. So that is just how to set up your autoresponder after connecting it to your email list. So now what we want to do now is we want to test out our landing page, whether if we get traffic to our landing page, if it's and the traffic converts, are we actually going to get the leads in our email marketing software, which is our database, and also is our form working? Because you need to test your form. You don't want to go and spend thousands of dollars on ads, and when you find out that, okay, at the end of the day, you check your autoresponder, you didn't see any email. At the end of the day, but actually it converted, your landing page converted, but you didn't see any email because your form wasn't working. So you need to test out your form to see if it's actually working. So let's see if we can test it. Okay, so here, this is our landing page. I'll just do a refresh here. Okay, now once I do a refresh, I'll just put my name here. Then I'll put my email. Okay, so once I do this, then I click on download free ebook or free guide. Now you can see a form was sent successfully. This is it here to show the visitor that it was sent successfully. Okay, so what we normally do is you just come to this place after testing your form. You can see this sent the email to our autoresponder, it was successful. But what we normally do is we don't just leave the visitor on this page after adding their email, and so we like redirecting them to somewhere. So if you're an affiliate, you might redirect them to the affiliate sales page of the vendor you're trying to promote. So what you can just do is you need to go back to your form, which is your form, the builder for your form. So here, once we are here, the effect, in order to create that effect, we need to come to this action after submit, then click on this place which says this plus here, then click on this redirect here. Okay, so this redirect, now you can see this option here. So what we need to do is add your link here. So the link might be a link to the offer which you're trying to promote, or it might be a link to a bridge page. So you can also choose to create a bridge page there, but we're not going to do that in this video. But you can just add a link to the offer. So let me just find the link to the affiliate offer so that we can add it there and test it out again. Okay, so I'll just copy the link here, then I'll paste it here. Then once I do that, I'll just click on save. So let's see what's going to happen. Now we'll go back to testing our form again. So here, I'll just do a refresh. Okay, so once I do a refresh, I'm just going to put my name here. So I'll just put a different name. Then I'm going to put a different email address. Then I'll click on download now. Let's see what's going to happen. The first scenario, it didn't redirect anyway, just so successful, but now you can see it is redirecting to the offer. So it might be different offer. You just need to just plug in the link of the offer there. So that's just all you need to do. Now you can see it has redirected us to this link now. So if the leads come here, in this case, put their email address and email again on this offer and click on claim spot here, you'll be able to join this offer, and if they eventually buy the product these guys are selling to the lead, you're going to earn commissions in your ClickBank account. So it might not be ClickBank you're using, it might be something else you're using. So this is just the same method affiliates are using to make thousands of dollars online. So I just need you to understand this now. So let's go to our autoresponder. Let's see if we got this email, and also we'll check on our email inbox if we got the email. That's the email message. After that's the autoresponder message, if we got it in our email inbox. Let's just check all those things. Okay, so once we're here now, what we need to do is go to contact here. Now in our contact, you can see we have 2 there. Before we have 0 because it was a new list. Now let's see the 2 emails that were there. Now you can see this one we put there. You can see this one we put there. How did they join? You can see the origin is through an API, because that API we connected on Elementor settings there. So it is through an API. You can see the name. So you can see the autoresponder ID is day 0. So let's check our email inbox for these 2 email inbox. Let's see if we actually got the message from Getresponse. Let's see. Okay, so this is my email inbox. What I need to do here is to come to this one first. Let's see. Let me do a refresh. Let me see if I'm going to see something. Okay, let me see this one too. Oh, this is it here. You can see this is it here. You can see that link we added there to see the difference here. This is the link we added there. So this is, you can see it sent it to our inbox direct. That's why I love using Getresponse, because it's very live. It sends the email directly to your leads inbox, not a spam folder, not professional folder. Send it directly to their inbox. And when something goes to the inbox, it has higher open rate and all the stuff. So let me go back to this page. Here you can also see this one too. You can also see it is the same. Now this is just how to set up a high converting landing page, how to integrate it with your autoresponder, how to create your email list, how to create your email so that you can start sending it. So this is just how to automate your business. So if you're trying to start an online business, this is just how to do it. Now, if you're looking for a proven online business to start right now and start earning thousands of dollars online, just like I'm doing, check out the link in my YouTube description for this video. You see a link to download my free blueprint that is enabling me to promote other people's product without having to touch it, answer customer support or anything, and I'm making thousands of dollars promoting this product. So just check out that link there. If you check out that link, just download the ebook and you'll be good from there. Now, if you found value in this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also share it with your friends. If you have questions for me, don't forget to use the comment box below, type your question there, and I'll do well to answer your questions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.